What would you do if you won $1 million? Actually, this video is not talking about lottery, but is it real or unreal? Hi everyone, welcome to English Sprint. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about real and unreal situations in English and how can we talk about it. So, in this video, we are going to talk about if I do and if I did. Be with me in this video and you will become the master of these two grammar topics. Let's start with if I do. Actually, if I do is first conditional, right? So, and when something is possible in the future, we use if I do. Actually, the structure is if plus present simple and will plus verb. All right? So, if I do talks about real situations, right? So, and it talks about future. Actually, first conditional talks about future in real situations, right? Take a look at the examples here. If it rains tomorrow, I will stay home. This is something possibly happens in the future, all right? So if it rains tomorrow, I will stay home. If I study hard, I will pass the exam. Yeah, it is real situation. If I see my friend later, I'll say hi. And again, this is real situation. And I, as a speaker, think it is possible to be actually happened. All right. If my phone dies, I will charge it. Right. So again, this is real situation, and also it is possible. All right. Now the next one is if I did. Actually, I think it is the most exciting grammar you have ever learned. All right, so it is second conditional, and also we use it for imaginations. All right, so imaginary or impossible situations. All right, this actually we use past simple after if, and also the second one, okay, the second part of the grammar, we say would plus verb. Right, so if clause and the result. Yeah, the result is would here, and the previous one was well. All right, take a look at the examples. If I won the lottery, I would travel the world. Okay, this is unreal. Okay, if I were invisible, I would spy on my cat. If I could fly, I would visit every country. If cats spoke, they would complain about humans all day. All right? So, there is a point here. When I say if I won, or if I could, if I spoke, all right, or if I were, okay, so it is past simple, but it talks about present, not the past, okay? And also, we can say could instead of would, okay? Or, for example, can instead of will, all right? So you can use them if you want, okay? So now fill in the blanks, guys. If I blank him, I will say hello. You have 3 seconds to think about it. All right, the next one. If I, a superhero, I would fly to school. And the last one. If I, blah, 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 win $1 million, I, blah, 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 buy, okay, a yacht. All right? So, comment below your answers for these questions, and I will be glad to check your answers and correct your mistakes. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video until the end. That was my pleasure to help you to understand one of those grammar topics that will help you to speak natural in English. Thank you very much guys. Have a nice day and goodbye.